In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a versatile chimichurri sauce. It goes so good with everything, from meats, fish, pork. It can even be served as an appetizer. Chimichurri is so easy to make, you'll never buy store-bought again. Start by measuring out a half cup of extra virgin olive oil. Add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Cut up half a scallion. Add 2 to 4 garlic cloves depending on how strong you like it, and a half a jalapeno. I leave the seeds in because I like it spicy, but feel free to take them out. Add half a teaspoon of dried oregano. Add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper hot seeds. You can add more or less depending on your heat preference. Sea salt and black pepper to taste. Coarsely chop 1 cup of flat leaf parsley. Coarsely chop 1/4 cup of cilantro. Then add the parsley and cilantro. Hit it with the ninja again till it is minced. Add the oil and vinegar. Briefly hit it with the ninja again. You're not trying to emulsify it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the recipe and the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.